This is the Jensen model JCR-295 in black. Now this new item from Jensen transforms the meaning of digital clock radio. This clock puts the I in incredible, okay? This not only charges your mobile device, but will wirelessly play audio or video up to 30 feet from your Bluetooth enabled anything, smartphone, tablet, iPad, as shown in the image with your phone holder. You can even make a mini bedside wireless TV using the Bluetooth or mini wired TV for your night table using the auxiliary import. This clock has large, easy to read 1-inch multifunction green LED display, dual independent alarms, FM stereo receiver with 20 presets, USB charging port, Bluetooth capacity, auxiliary input jack, digital volume control, high-low dimmer, programmable sleep timer, and wake to radio alarm. And I really love these new Bluetooth Jensens. This clock is really incredible.